Hi, today we can learn how to create the Dropbox or drop list in Excel sheet. First we can open the Excel, select the box, go to data, choose data validation, click Dropbox, select list. Here you can type whatever you want. I am typing language English, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil. Click OK. See, now we have created drop list. We can try again. Select box, go to data, data validation, again data validation, click the Dropbox, choose list, type. Now I am typing names Rama, Krishna, Naveen and Anand. Click OK. Now you are created drop list. Click the drop list to choose whatever you want. Now I am choosing Naveen. You can again choose the Dropbox and change whatever you want. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.